The warm weather is almost here, and right now is the perfect time to buy stuff that we would need for like late spring until like a summer. And one of those is this like swamp cooler. This can significantly save money, especially when you have like a bigger house, because then you don't need to turn on the AC or like central AC. If you are working from home, you can just have a swamp cooler in your home office, and then if you move to the kitchen when you're cooking, it's the same thing. You can just bring this. This is so portable, and this has like a large tank. This has a 5.3 gallon tank, so you could continuously use this for like 4 to 8 hours without refilling. And the way it works is like you put ice here, and then there's water there.
You put water there and then freeze.
So it will evenly blow cold air. And even when you're in the garden, so during like hot summer, for example, you're gardening, as long as you have like an extension cord or you have an electric outlet nearby, then you can just turn it, like you can just like plug this, and then you enjoy like a really cold like breeze. So I highly recommend this one. And again, this has a large capacity tank, so you can like turn this on while you're sleeping, and then it will like evenly blow cold air. And this is like really portable. You can move this from one like room to the other.